Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install skip tracing with PropStream step by step clearly. To install skip tracing with PropStream, first, open your preferred web browser. Go to the PropStream website. If you don't have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your details. Confirm your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log in to your newly created account. Navigate to the dashboard. On the left side, find the Skip Tracing option in the menu. Click on it to access the skip tracing features. You may need to add funds to your account for skip tracing services. Locate the Add Funds button and click on it. Choose your preferred payment method and enter the amount. After funding your account, return to the Skip Tracing section. Here, you will see options to upload your leads. Click on Upload Leads and select your file in CSV format. Ensure your file includes the necessary columns, like names and addresses. Follow the prompts to complete the upload process. Once your leads are uploaded, select the ones you want to trace. Click the Skip Trace button to initiate the process. Wait for the system to process your request. You'll receive a notification once the skip tracing is complete. Navigate to the Results section to view your skip trace data. Review the contact information provided for each lead. You can export this data if needed by clicking on the Export button. Make sure to download all important contact details for future use. You have successfully installed skip tracing with PropStream. Utilize this valuable data to enhance your lead generation efforts. Feel free to reach out to PropStream support if you encounter any issues during the installation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.